I am waiting for my chauffeur once again and also my bodyguard. So right now I am feeling a little bit vulnerable, but you know,
oh, this is cool. I got this one at Boston.
it's alright.
I'm gonna pull your hair. Liner. Okay. I'm not wearing any though because I got burnt.
You got burnt where?
Got eyebrow pencil. I be drawing beards with these.
Your eyebrows look nice.
Yes. Did you get them done?
Oh wait, no, not
eyeliner. Not eyebrows.
Oh,
these are natural.
Never mind.
Yeah, these are
Sorry,
all
I take back the
all natural. We got my elf
lip oil.
Lip oil. Lip oil. Lip oil.
Wait, I didn't write the DSU yet. Did we send it out?
No, I don't think it's gonna be done anytime soon. Wait, are we leaving now? But that's it. That's all I wear. And mascara.
So you're naked?
I'm naked. You're bald. I'm always naked. This is my journal. Yes, I love. Maybe thick though.
Mine's thicker.
I'm the thickest.
Today is Tuesday, June 3rd?
Yes.
Wait, 2025.
Wait, it's 3rd now?
Yes, we are going to see our seniors graduate today. Kezar Stadium.
Oh my god, they're graduating?
Yep. I have no seatbelt on. Today was our first time ever pulling up to Burton as a full site on site. First and last time. So, an iconic moment, yes. Magna these nuts. Magna cum laude these nuts!
Wait, what's the thing you graduated with?
Magna cum laude.
Summa cum laude. Summa cum laude.
Summa. Some cum laude these nuts.
Summa cum laude.
So many congratulations. On.
Yes. This is it.
I'll be there, but will everyone else? I'll be there when and if I can.
I'll see if I can.
Are you sure you're not gonna be on the East Coast?
Bro, that's cool. We're gonna bust it down. We got Daily City down. Yeah, we're gonna be at Eureka, Alaska, and Syria.
I want food so bad.
Hello, this is my food. It is the Abruzzo. Wow. We be eating for real.
Yum, 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 yum.
I ordered second, but my food seems to be coming last. I think they're still killing the cow. Oh yeah. Sorry, vegans.
It's a ritual.
I'm so sorry, vegans. This is from one of our students. Michaela, can I say something to the camera? Yeah. Imagine tracking these notes. We gotta keep it PG. There's PG actually. Just keep it PG, please. Hi everyone, this is Rachel. 6 minutes without the camcorder. Hi everyone, I'm wearing Rachel's sunglasses.
Wait, I told you I want mine. Right?
Yeah, good question. Rachel stole my sunglasses, and I'm supposed to be okay with that?
Don't do it.
How to send Rachel away for 9 weeks without getting caught.
Withdrawal is over.
Oh.
Withdrawal. Wait, I can see myself. Cameraman review. Camera woman.
Camera woman.
Camera gay. Camera person.
You got boogers.
Camera they.
And I zoomed in on them.
Do you see them shimmer? Shining, shimmering, splendid. Oh, no, that's not. Hello? Silence. Do you see a smart dog?
Sure. Pretty. Pretty, pretty.
Just like me. Just like the rest of me.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll be fine. I'm not paying for bofa.
Who's Bofa?
You don't know bofa?
No, who's Bofa?
Oh, so it actually refers to the...
Hello, everyone. Lactose intolerant people, when the photographer says cheese. Oh, there's no cheese around here.
Live, laugh, love. Live, laugh, love. Live, love, love. Live, love. It's a furry centaur, but centaurs are half human, half horse, but it's all furry, just with the furry tar.
No wonder.
You think he's Filipino?
Actually, this is my house. Welcome to my house. This is my house tour. So this is the living room. I like to watch TV. It's my entertainment right now.
Okay.
Let's go to my room. This is my bed. I'd be sleeping here for real.
Wow, it looks so cozy. Yeah, okay. Oh, demo.
Yeah. Sometimes there's snakes in here though.
Oh, do you like sleep with them or?
Yeah, they kind of like cradle me.
Yeah.
This is my living room. I mean, come to my kitchen. So right now,
Oh, wait, I actually don't like fallen leaves with stick.
you can get out,
Oh.
but this is, I'm just making food right now. Just chopping up some greens, because we're healthy.
Yeah, I don't like any of that food.
Okay, well, anyways, this is my backyard. So a lot of people come here. We do barbecues.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Totally, yeah.
Do you like my house?
It's a little, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's my house tour. Let's do 65 questions.
I like 69. Yeah, so I really wanted a vape at Sports Basement, but then I saw the sign.
Hotter, longer. Yeah, I think this one's good. I think this one's perfect, actually.
I think it's too big.
Size don't matter.
Oh, okay.
The bigger, the better.
You wanted a bigger one. Wait, you want a little...
Should I get this one?
You want a black one?
Yeah, well, if they have a green one, but...
You gotta look.
Okay, because look, like I could just put it here.
Oh, you can attach it to the side?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I really wanted to. But do you think this is too big?
Do you like the color black? Look at the hammock I got. Yes, I'm gonna be portable. What did you get? I'll release it post. Oh, you don't want to show what you got?
It's a secret.
What?
This is leaked footage.
What are you talking
You cannot leak this footage. You cannot leak the footage.
Just show us what you bought.
Yeah, but when are you posting this?
Hi. We're gonna look for the Trader Joe's Dubai chocolate.
Do you like mochi?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go. You're in the vlog.
Are you documentary right now?
Probably when you said Beyonce had the best music video of all time. That was like genuinely so funny.
Why was that so funny?
It's just so like, I didn't even get the reference. Like, that's so funny. Okay, this is the chocolate section.
Do not forget about us because we will be back stronger than ever.
Hey, you sound like the US government.